Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing how to make money with AI-created YouTube videos. With the advancements in artificial intelligence, it's now possible to create high-quality videos using AI-powered tools like Pictory AI. In this video, we'll be exploring how you can use Pictory AI to create videos and monetize them on YouTube. Part 1. Creating videos with Pictory AI. Pictory AI is a powerful tool that allows you to create stunning videos using AI-generated images and music. The tool uses a deep learning algorithm to generate images that match your chosen keywords or phrases. You can then add these images to your video, along with AI-generated music that perfectly complements the visuals. To get started with Pictory AI, simply sign up for an account and choose the type of video you want to create. You can select from a range of video templates or create your own custom template. Next, enter your keywords or phrases, and Pictory AI will generate a series of images and music tracks that match your input. Once you've selected your images and music, you can customize your video by adding text, transitions, and other effects. Pictory AI offers a range of customization options that allow you to create a video that's unique and eye-catching. Part 2. Monetizing your videos on YouTube. Now that you've created your video using Pictory AI, it's time to monetize it on YouTube. There are several ways to monetize your YouTube videos, including YouTube Partner Program. The YouTube Partner Program allows you to earn money from ads that are displayed on your videos. To join the program, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time on your channel within the last 12 months. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services in your videos and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. You can find affiliate programs related to your niche and promote products that your audience will find useful or interesting. Sponsored content. You can also earn money by partnering with brands and creating sponsored content for your channel. Brands will pay you to create videos that feature their products or services, and you can earn a significant amount of money depending on the brand and the type of content you create. Part 3. Best practices for creating and monetizing AI-created videos. To maximize your earning potential with AI-created videos, it's important to follow best practices for creating and monetizing your content. Here are some tips to help you get started. Choose a niche. Select a niche that you're passionate about and that has a large audience. This will help you create content that's relevant and engaging to your viewers. Optimize your videos. Optimize your videos for search engines by using relevant keywords in your title, description, and tags. This will help your videos rank higher in search results and attract more viewers. Engage with your audience. Engage with your viewers by responding to comments, asking for feedback, and creating content that addresses their needs and interests. Be consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to building a successful YouTube channel. Create a content schedule and stick to it to keep your viewers engaged and coming back for more. In conclusion, creating and monetizing AI-created videos on YouTube is a great way to earn money using the latest advancements in artificial intelligence. With tools like Pictory AI, you can create stunning videos that captivate your audience and generate revenue through ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content. By following best practices for creating and monetizing your content, you can build a successful YouTube channel that generates income